Hey YouTube, I'm making another slime video because that other one didn't work. Well, I would know because they threw it away. Wow ass. And I tried this out, so it should work. It's 12. So I'm trying to keep myself up. First of all, you're going to need a measuring cup and a paper plate to put your measuring cup on. You need some shampoo. Yeah, shampoo. And some salt. And maybe some sugar. I tried this before and it works. It suggests that I added too much salt. There, I think. What? What? Okay. Okay. But anyways. You're gonna take. As you can see, it's getting that slimy texture. So I'm going to add a little bit more salt. What? Okay, wait. What? Wait. So back to my video. So that sink in. Try not to let it. You have to watch out to how much salt you add because you add too much and it gets a little bit watery. Yes. Okay. We'll come back for part 2.